select chickpeas, soaked in water for half an hour. Some salt, turmeric, clarified butter, ghee, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add chana dal, the lauki, salt, turmeric, half, water, salt. Perfect. Onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, paprika, vinaigrette dry, coriander powder, turmeric, cumin powder, cinnamon, cumin seed, bay leaf, dry chili, salt, pepper powder, and mango powder, amchur, tamarind sauce, imli, the chutney, tamarind sauce. Perfect. Ghee, hing as suffocated, pinch spices, after 40 seconds I'm going to add chili, garlic, ginger, onion, half salt, I'm gonna let it simmer at least 4-5 minutes on slow heat. I'm gonna come back. Some water. Cooking after 6 minutes on medium heat. Now I'm going to add coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, vinaigrette, paprika, afterwards salt. Mix it well again. After 2 minutes, adding half cup of water. Okay. Everything is perfect. And pepper powder, dry mango powder, tamarind sauce, imli the chutney. Slow heat. I'm gonna let it simmer for 3-4 minutes. Then it's gonna be ready for serve.